Hello once again. This is a story about Ferry Battle P2336 JNM of 150 Squadron on the 12th of May 1940. There were two 150 battles lost in this operation. They were both airborne at 14:45 from Ecury-sur-Coole. The first one got back safely, but too badly damaged for repair. The second, P2336, was shot down near Neufchâteau, 26 kilometres southwest of Bastogne in Belgium, with the loss of all three crew. It suffered a direct hit by flak during an attack on an enemy column between Neufchâteau and Bertrix, crashed and burned out south of Neufchateau in Belgium at 3 p.m. The crew were Pilot Officer Campbell Irons, killed in action. Born the 17th of the 6th, 1916 in Guernsey, went to Cranleigh boarding school from 1929, aged 13, and left in 1934, aged 18. Probably went to college, then joined the RAF in 1930 as a cadet, and posted to France on the 2nd of September 1939. ORB records cite him as being airborne 12 times. Air Force list states on the 26th of March 1938 he was acting pilot officer. On the 17th of January 1939 he was pilot officer. Sergeant, the observer, Thomas Roy Parker, killed in action, aged 20. He was born on the 1st of May 1920 in Dunsby, Lincolnshire, England. Roy transferred from 88th Squadron to 150 on the 22nd of April 1940, 1 month before his death. ORB records cite him as being airborne only on his first flight. Leading aircraftsman, wireless operator, air gunner Reginald Henry Hinder, aged 20, born January 1920, arrived in France again on the 2nd of September 1939. ORB records cite him as being airborne 15 times. All three crew were buried in Neufchateau Communal Cemetery in Belgium. The other battle, P2184, returned to base at 4:05, badly damaged. Sergeant Sidney Ernest Andrews was the pilot, Sergeant Norman John Ingram the observer, and leading aircraftsman Henry Robert Figg, the wireless operator, air gunner. All were unhurt. Aircraft JNP damaged but abandoned on evacuation of Ecury-sur-Coole airfield to Poix on the 15th of May.